Dear students, very warm good morning all of you. In this video you will be see exercise 1.3 and 1.4. First question is multiple choice question MCQ. The place value of 7 in 3672 is, that will be 70. It means first option is right. The place value of 8 in 8341 is, it means 8000 will be place value, so that will be the A answer. The place value of 5 in 2520, so that will be the 500. B option is right. Fourth part, the place value of 9 in 3900 is, that will be also 900, so C part is right. So start the second question. Place value of 6 in 2362, so that will be solution 2362. We are finding the place value of 6, so we will write the 6 and then after 0. This is the answer, that is the 60. Third question, that will be write the place value of 3 in 2348. So 2348 first of all we will write, and then we will write the 3 because we are finding the place value of 3. So that after 2 zeros. So 300 is answer. Fourth question, write the place value of 2 in 3286. So that solution will be 3286, or we are finding the place value of 2, so we will write that 2 and then after how many digits are there, so we will put the 2 zeros. Fifth question, that write the place value of 0. The place value of 0, we know that very simple thing is that we will write the 0 0 0 0 0 0, that will be the answer. And then sixth question is that place value of 3 in 2530, so that will be 2530, and we are finding the place value of 3, so that will be write the 3 and then after 1 digit are there, so we will write the 10. Seventh question, write the place value of 4 in 4350. So 4350 we will write, and then we are finding the value of place value of 4. So 4 after that 1 2 3 digit are there, so we will write the 3 zeros. 8. Write the place value of 7 in 3725. So that 3725, that 7000, 7, then after zeros, this is the answer. Write in the expanded form. A part has done, for example, so B part we are looking at 9th B part. So similarly we will write that simply 4525, 4 in first box, 4525, and then C part similarly 6287, 6287, similarly you will be right. And then after 10th question is there given, again this has done A part, put a box around the correct numerals. The first has been done for you, so you will be circle like this is given in example A part, so you will be make a circle or box, okay, so that 7008 once, so that is a first part, and 10th question B, that is the 7800. This you will be like make the circle box. just minute wait. 7000 8 ones. 8 ones is that na 00. So that will be 8 ones. C part, that 6000 610. So that is a 6000 610. So that will be the box. D part, 5000 8 ones. 5000 8 ones. So that will be 5000 8 ones. So that means like this box you will be draw. E part, that 9000 6 ones. 9000 6 ones. 9000 6 ones. So that will be like this. You will be draw the box. Now we will see the exercise 1.4. That is 1.4. First question is that we will put the smaller sign, greater sign, smaller sign and is equal to. So in that first part you will be draw like this. A part 8438 that is a 9254. So we will put the smaller sign. Okay. And B part, that you will be see 6258 or 2598. So 6000 is greater, so you will be write the greater sign. And then next is also greater sign. C is also greater sign you will be put. And then D smaller sign you will be place. D smaller sign. E part, that will be is equal to, because both are the equal to. F part you will be put that smaller sign, because that is the second number is greater. G part, that is again smaller sign, because second number is greater. H part is both are equal, so you will be put the equal. H. I part you are looking that here first of all you will be add. Okay, then after you will put that sign, so that smaller sign will be come, because 9 here is given 945 or is given 844. So we are looking here already 100 of the distance is given. And then J part, that will be 6 4 10 5 1 9 10 1000 will be that. So this will be the greater sign. Now second question, A part, that 3644. So we are finding the successor. So successor, that successor is equal to, simply successor, when you are finding a successor then you will be plus 1. So 3645, that is the successor of 3644. B part, 999. So successor is equal to 999 plus 1, that will be the 1000. And then C part, 9899. So successor is equal to 9899 plus 1. So that will be 9900. D part, that 4500. So successor is equal to 4500 plus 1 is equal to 4501. And then third question, that is predecessor. Write the predecessor of each of the following. Predecessor means we will be subtract 1. So A part 4400. So that is predecessor. Predecessor is equal to 4400 minus 1. So that will be 4399. B part that 7884. So that predecessor is equal to 7884 minus 1. So that 7883. Then we will see next C part, that 5676. So that is predecessor is equal to 5676 minus 1. So 5675. That is the answer. D part is 9567. 9567. So predecessor is equal to 9567 minus 1 is equal to 9566. That will be the answer. And then next, fourth question, rewrite the following number in descending order or decreasing order. One example is given here. So we will find next fourth A. That number. Descending order means first of all we will write the greater number. First of all write the greater number, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller, then at last we will write the smallest. So that A part that you can write the question. I am writing that directly. The descending order or decreasing order. Decreasing order is equal to, that will be first of all greater number. So 9721 and then 9271. Then after 9000 we have completed, then 7291 and then 7219. 7000 series has completed, 4000 series, so 4578 and then 4256. Similarly B part, you will see B part, the decreasing order is equal to, that first of all we take the 7000 series. So 7563, because this is the greatest number, 7563 and then after 7365 and then 7000 series has completed. Now we will see the 6000 series, 6628 and then 6573, then after 6537, at last 5673. And then C part that you will be right that the decreasing order is equal to C part. First of all, we will take the 9000 series. So 9900 series number is first 9996, and then next 9874, and then 9478, and then we will take the 8000 series. So 8974, and then 8947, at last 8544. And D part, the decreasing order is equal to, that will be here. First of all, we will take the 6000 series. So 6300, that is 84, and then next is 6348, and then 6000 series is completed. Now 3000 series, we will see that 6000 or 3864, then 3846, and then 3486, then 3468. That is question number 4. Question number 5. Find the successor of the largest 2-digit number. So first of all, we will find the largest number. So largest 2-digit number, 2-digit number is equal to, that is 999. See that here, leave that. Largest 2-digit number, largest 2-digit number is equal to 99, and successor is equal to 99 plus 1 is equal to 100. Is the smallest 3-digit number? Yes. Is the smallest 3-digit number? Yes. Sixth question. Again, find the successor of the largest 3-digit number. Largest 3-digit number. So, largest 3-digit number is equal to 999, and then successor is equal to 999 plus 1 is equal to, that will be 1000. So is the smallest 4-digit number? Yes, this is the smallest 4-digit number. Okay.